Hi guys, it's Misha here, back with another video. So this video is just going to be a very quick tutorial on how I laid down a lace closure. The wig that I'm using I had made from some hair at my local beauty supply store, so I don't really have any specs on it, and unfortunately I didn't videotape myself making the wig, but basically there are about 2.5 body weight bundles in the wig. I would say one bundle of 16, two bundles of, or like 1.5 bundles of 14-inch body wave, and then a 10-inch, I think, body wave closure. And I just sewed down the hair on like a normal spandex dome cap, and I had been wearing it for about 5 weeks or so. I just took it off and like did up my hair and stuff like a few days ago, but yeah, so this video is just on how I glued down, I didn't really glue it, but I glued down the lace closure wig, and how to make baby hairs and how to make it, secure and look real. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.
Hey guys, so what I'm going to be using to lay down my closure wig is the black got to be glued, a rat tail comb, a blow dryer, and of course the wig itself. So I'm just gonna start off by putting on the gel right on my forehead, like right above or right before my hairline. I don't like to put gel on my hair because when I take it off I don't want my hair to come out. So next I'm using the blow dryer on cool. I guess you could use hot or warm, but why would you need to do that? I don't know why you would need to do that, but I just use it on cool, and I put it on just for like maybe a minute at most, just to get it like nice and tacky and sticky, so that once I put the wig on, it's not sliding all over the place. Like I want it to be like a nice tacky texture, so the wig just sticks and stays. And now what I'm doing is putting on the wig itself. So I'm gonna look crazy for a second, so don't at me, but I'm just gonna plop the wig right on where I had put the gel. And I do this because right before I put it on my hair, because I want it to stick to like a dry part of my head, not like the hair, and also it just makes it look a little natural, having the part right there. And what I was doing there was just like picking out any hair that got pulled underneath the wig, just to make sure that nothing was obstructing it. And then I used a rat tail comb to press the lace into the wig. Now I'm just going back in with my blow dryer on cool again, just to help solidify the wig and keep everything nice and dry. As you can see, I had already cut some baby hairs, so I'm not going to show you guys how I did that because I already did that. This was my second time doing this to the closure wig. For the first few weeks I wore the wig, I didn't really glue it down, but then it started getting cold and started getting windy, and I started wearing hoodies and stuff, so I was like, I need to make sure this is like secure. Like I definitely can wear this wig without the glue. So now I just put a little gel on the baby hair, and I used the rat tail comb to just like swoop it into place, and I'm using the hair dryer back on cool just to solidify it, and I rubbed on it to make sure it would stay, and then I do the same thing to the other side. So like this is completely unnecessary. Like if you have a closure wig, you definitely do not have to like quote glue it down. And as you can see, like I'm not really gluing it down, I'm just like gelling it down or so. But for me it was just really helpful because it allowed me to like go throughout my day without worrying it was like slipping back, or you know what I mean. And it was like really windy outside, and I was like taking off hats and hoods and stuff, so I didn't have to worry about like it coming off. And since I made this wig, I didn't have combs, and I didn't have any elastic to like create an elastic band, so for me this was just like the best way to secure it. Also, I really liked the look it gave. I felt like since the lace was pressed down, it looked a little more natural, and so here I'm just like fluffing out the wig. It's body wave, about 14 inches and 16 inches on the bottom. Nothing special, but yeah, and this is just like my everyday hair. I don't really straighten it or curl it or anything because I don't have time for all that. Like I'm a student, so I was just like putting it on, throwing it on, and I kind of like the natural wave look. So basically these are the end results, and I hope you enjoyed the video.